I haven't posted one in a while, but we were down here on the lot at Sierra Motor Mall here in Ottawa, Illinois, and came across this van that's pretty cool. There's usually a lot of requests for things like this, and we don't see them too often. It is a handicap accessible minivan. It's a 2018 Grand Caravan, and watch what this does. If I hit the right button, right? You'll notice the vehicle will lower, fully open, and the ramp come out. Check that out. Fully outfitted by BraunAbility. And not only does it have that, obviously the vehicle lowers, so it's got inside. It is also retrofit here for you to roll right on here. There's anchors to secure your device, whether it's a wheelchair or one of those electric scooters, can pull it right on in here for you, and still have room for some passengers in the back as well as the front. The van's pretty loaded, nice leather seats, pretty cool, right? Everything is done by this key. So double click on the key will totally open it for you. Just thought to show you this fun feature. If you guys have any questions, go ahead, message on this video or stop down to Sierra Motor Mall. Thanks.